Bonolevu in particular is surrounded by seas, and it is encouraging to witness that MCF is effectively promoting government's vision in serving the people of Fiji by taking its services to its stakeholders and to members of the public. Government over the years has strongly and reinforced the critical need for greater accountability of civil servants to the provisions of public goods and services, and more importantly, their visibility and accessibility to members of the public to be able to facilitate their economic and social needs. As you're aware, I was in New York early this month, co-chairing with the government of Sweden, the Oceans Conference, where healthy oceans was a key commitment that was advocated. In November this year, I will also be officiating as president of the 23 Conference of Parties on Climate Change in Bonn, Germany. The leadership role that Fiji is undertaking at the forefront of these global forums signifies the efforts that we have been advocating, particularly on the conservation of our environment and natural resources, because it is not only sustainability, but also survival issues for us and our Pacific Island neighbors. I'm pleased with the establishment of this new office in Nambualu, because it is aligned with the commitments that Fiji made during the Ocean Conference in New York, and that is for us to ensure that oceans are safeguarded and developed in a sustainable manner. With the increased trade and commercial activities anticipated for Bonolevu, both locally and internationally, this office will allow MCF to better serve existing and future maritime industry stakeholders operating in the vicinity of Mbua, including those maybe traveling to and from other parts of Bonolevu. This is also part of the improvements to the current enabling environment to unlock the development potential that Bonolevu has to offer, complementing the infrastructure projects rolled out recently. The new office will also strengthen the efforts aimed at the protection of marine environment, an issue that is part of my government's developing priorities. It also ensures greater compliance of our ships, including improved safety of our seafarers and the traveling in public. Indeed, this new establishment would have a direct boost to the coordination of maritime travel, trade facilities, and sustainable ocean practices in Boa. On this memorable occasion, I commend and congratulate all those who have worked tirelessly behind the scene to facilitate this new office. I encourage the staff and stakeholders to make the best use of this establishment. With those few words, I have much pleasure in declaring the new MCF office Nambualu officially open. Thank you. Navolu.
Hola. Ano lang? Ha? Naomi? Wala na nila eh. Ha? Kuya? Naomi. Zulu-zulu. What's your name? What's your name?
Ako rin tolong ka na bolo-bolo. Lumitay bilang kaya dito ko natakatakat siguro lamang. Nawala. Nawala. Pare.